Should I start? My name is Vyomesh Panchmatia. I am a resident of Mumbai. I stay at Matunga. In the morning, when I went to vote, I cast my vote at 9:30 in the morning at Amula Kamichan School. I was cornered by more than 150 to 200 people who claimed that their names were deleted from the voters list. When I went to the election officer at the booth, at the table there, they told me that they do not have a mother list. Now, what is a mother list? A mother list is the name of people who have voted earlier in 2009, and who have also voted in the 2012 municipal elections. There's a second list which has names up to 1st of January, and a third list which is the provisional list which has names up till 1st of March. Now, these are the names. These are the three lists according to Times of India. This is the report which they have said. It says there's a mother list here.
If you have it in
there is supposed to be a mother list. Now, when we went there, the people at the booth told us that there's no mother list. We were asked to come here because this Bharat Sarkar Nagar election office is the main election office in this area in Wadala. When I came here at 10:30, there were more than 600 people who were waiting here and shouting that they were not being given their rights to vote. Voting is their constitutional and fundamental right. Neither the election commission nor the police nor even my father can deny me the right to vote. I was here, we went and met the ERO. Her name is Sonali Mule. She told us that we can't do anything about it. You guys will not be able to vote. We asked her to call her superior. She said she'll be calling her RO. Just then the police came and started pushing us. One of the inspectors even slapped one boy. The boy was slapped, and that's when everybody got agitated and there was a lathi charge. All of us were pushed outside. We all are standing here since morning, and we have been informed that there's absolutely nothing that is going to happen. Sorry. We've registered a PIL. We've registered a protest and are going to file a writ petition and a PIL.
asking रिट पिटीशन फाइल किया जा रहा है इसके अगेंस्ट में, और जिसको भी यहाँ पे डिनाई किया गया है वोटिंग के अधिकार से, उनको 6:30 बजे दादर में मिलना है। लोकसभा चुनाव के लिए जिनको भी डिनाई किया है वोटिंग के अधिकार से, जिनका नाम डिलीट किया है, जिनका नाम आया नहीं है, वी आर फाइलिंग अ रिट पिटीशन, इलेक्शन रिट पिटीशन इन बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट एंड सुप्रीम कोर्ट। तो 6:30 बजे सब लोग अपना नाम और वोटिंग लिस्ट का जो भी आइडेंटिटी प्रूफ है लेके हमें मिले है। हमारा कॉन्टेक्ट नंबर है विमेश, मैं एडवोकेट संतोष कोपड़े, कोई भी कॉन्टेक्ट कीजिए। वी आर फाइलिंग अ रिट पिटीशन बॉम्बे हाई कोर्ट, सो इमीडिएटली आप हमको
वी आर सिंपली आस्किंग देम to declare this election as null and void, and to go in for a re-election, because there are so many. And the surprising part is that all the names that have been deleted are only from the buildings. Everybody in their slums are able to cast their vote. Nobody in the slums, their names have not been deleted, which please note. Their entire buildings have been deleted.
पूर्ण फॅमिलीची लिस्ट पूर्ण डिलीट केले गेलेले, आणि हे डिलीट करण्यासाठी त्यांच्याकडे प्रोसिजर आहे। इलेक्शन कमिशनरला त्यांना अगोदर नोटीस द्यावी लागते आणि त्यांना पंचनामा करावा लागतो कोणतीही डिलीट करण्याच्या अगोदर। हा आपल्याला दिलेला अधिकार आहे, त्यांना कोणत्या प्रकारे डिलीट करण्याचे अधिकार जर असतील तर प्रोसिजर दे हॅव टू फॉलो ड्यू प्रोसेस ऑफ लॉ, दे कांट स्किप। हे टोटली त्यांनी आमच्या असलेल्या लोकशाहीच्या अधिकारती घेता, आमचा फंडामेंटल राईट्स त्यांनी व्हायोलेट केलेला आहे, अँड दे शुड बी पनिश। आम्ही हायकोर्टात रिट पिटिशन करतो, सर्वांनी आम्हाला सपोर्ट, ज्यांची नावं डिलीट केले, ज्यांना वोटिंगचा अधिकार दिले नाही, त्यांनी प्लीज आम्हाला कोऑपरेट करा। नाव आणि वोटिंग लिस्ट आमच्याकडे नाव रजिस्टर करा, सिग्नेचर द्या।
And while we are asking people to come and sign, the police is actually kicking us out. We are not some stray dogs. Please remember, we are responsible, respectable citizens of this nation. We pay taxes. We don't want you people to kick us out of an election office. Absolutely ridiculous.
I want to understand why our names have been deleted. There has to be, like he correctly says, there is a process. I'm still alive. On what basis have you deleted my name? My father's name is there, my mother's name is there, my brother's name is there, and I'm not the only one. There are hundreds of others who have got the same problem. One name or two names in the family is deleted, or the complete building is deleted. On what ground? Then what is the value of this election card? Shall I tear it up?
Approximately 1,80,000 names has been deleted without giving any notice and without following any procedure. This is the protest. This is the request to election commissioner संपत जी, please find out इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम हो, जो भी इसमें गुनहगार है उनके ऊपर एक्शन ली जाए।
I have personally spoken to Shirish Mohod, who is the deputy CEO, Deputy Chief Electoral Officer Shirish Mohod. When I spoke to him, he said that he will look into the matter. Nothing has been done so far. Nitin Gadre, the Chief Electoral Officer, he has not even taken our calls. And this is the helpline is useless. Nobody picks up the phone. I fail to understand what kind of democracy is this. You just want us to cast our vote once in 5 years and sit and listen to all the crap from everybody else for the next 5 years? Sorry, we want a participatory democracy.
Numbers, give the numbers. We are filing election writ petition. Give us number please. जिनके पास भी नंबर नहीं, नंबर लीजिए विमेश का और मेरा. हम लोग इलेक्शन पिटीशन फाइल करें तो आप प्लीज आपका जिनके पास ही नंबर